Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to upload a profile picture on Microsoft Teams. I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Microsoft Teams. It is because it has been very long since you have created your account on Microsoft Teams and now you want to upload a profile picture in it and you don't know how to do it, or maybe you just want to change your profile picture on it. That's why you're looking for it. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to do is you just have to simply tap on the icon of the Microsoft Teams app to open the app. This is the icon of the app. Just simply tap on it and the app will open. There you will see its interface. This is how the Microsoft Teams app looks. Right now we are into the home, that's why we could see the communities. If you click here you will see all the chats and here you will see all the alerts. But we have to click on our profile icon, which is here. Just simply click on it and there you will see a lot of different options that will come up on the screen. From all these options, what we have to do is you just have to simply click on the settings. This is a setting, it has its icon, so just simply click on it and then we will land into the settings section of the app. There we have a lot of different options. Every option has its own purpose. So from all these options you have to click on your profile, which is here. Just simply click on, then you will get into the profile where we could edit our personal stuff. So this is your profile icon. This is where you can upload your profile picture. So to upload a profile picture you have to click on this edit option. Just simply click on it and few options will pop up. So here we have five options. The first option is take photo. If you select the first option, through this option the camera will open and then you can select or click the picture at the moment. And if you select the second option, then mobile phone photo gallery will open and from there you will select a picture. And from the third option, if you have selected or posted a picture, then you can view it. And from the fourth option you can delete your existing picture, and from the last option you can edit your name. So right now I'm gonna select the second option, by which the mobile phone photo gallery will open. So here I have selected this picture from photo gallery. Now you can adjust it, you can crop it. After that just click on choose and it will be pasted. Here you can see the profile picture has been successfully uploaded on the app. Now we can view it, and here you can see this is how our profile picture looks when we have uploaded it on the Microsoft Teams app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture on Microsoft Teams. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.